चहा घेणार ना? कुठल्याही वेळी आणि कोणाच्याही तोंडी येणारा हा साधा सरळ प्रश्न. अगदी 2-4 मिनिटात तयार होणारा गरम वाफाळलेला चहा. त्यामुळेच की काय असंख्य चहावेडे दिवसातून 5-6 वेळा चहा पितातच. माणसासारखं स्वतःचं अस्तित्व जपणारा, सगळ्यांना सहज एकत्र बांधून ठेवणारा, मानवी जीवनात भावनांचे विविध रंग भरणारा एकमेव असा हा चहा.
Hello, my name is Payal Garai. My childhood has been spent in the tea gardens as my father is a tea planter. My father had mentioned to me the story of how actually tea first came into being. It is said that in the olden days, centuries ago, it was a monk who was studying scriptures and all of a sudden he fell asleep and he wanted to punish himself as he did that. So he cut off his eyelashes. And the place on earth where the eyelashes fell, it is said that the first tea bush grew out of that.
चहाच्या मळ्यातून सुरू झालेला चहाचा हा प्रवास समाजातील सर्व भेद विसरून स्टायलिश क्रोकरी ते अगदी बहिऱ्या झालेल्या कपातून अविरतपणे चालूच आहे.
The scientific name for tea is Camellia sinensis. There are basically 3 types of tea: CTC, green tea and orthodox. It is produced from the same leaf. It's the process which is different, which gives us the different kinds of tea. I'm sure the Indian population, most of us consume at least 2 to 3 cups of tea. Now, tea is associated with different emotions. When we are happy, we definitely say, okay, let's have a cup of tea. Now, when you're feeling a little stressed, one feels relaxed having a cup of tea. One needs a cup of tea to start your day.
अहो, लग्नाचा विषय सकाळी चहाच्या वेळेला कशाला? नंतर बघू.
असलं बरं वाटलं. So many flavors: orange flavor, vanilla flavor, chocolate flavor, jasmine flavor, and even the Indian tea that we have, which is boiled. You can add ginger, you can add cardamom, you can add lemongrass. So one can make different concoctions of tea.
Once more.
Live bhari.
चहा क्या बात है. मला
एक नंबर झालाय.
मला चहाच्या वासाने सुद्धा कसं तरी होतं.
त्याच्याकडे गेले होते, साधा चहा सुद्धा विचारला नाही त्यांनी मला.
जगास छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टीमधूनच नातेसंबंध दृढ होण्यास मदत होते आणि वर्षानुवर्ष हे काम प्रामाणिकपणे खट्याळ फेसाळलेला सगळ्यांचाच आवडता चहा करत आहे. चला तर मग एक कप चहाच घेऊयात.